Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Samsung Galaxy M33. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Then, on your smartphone, enter YouTube app and press the screencast button located on the top of the screen. Now select your TV. And now devices are connected. You can play any video you want on the smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV.
Niegrzecznie dobre rady w komputernik. Wybierz swój prezent, a pierwszą...
And that's it. If you want to disconnect your devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.